I'm gonna be doing a buff test today. I'm gonna be using this joint I got for free at Oinkart Dr.Drips. I don't know if it's out yet. The Glop ink. This joint got the Glop ink. Oink ink, black original. Oink ink, Brutal Blue. Yeah. I got the Oink ink, grimy green, just crank. The crank K60 red. Hardore and JoyStick. And to buff it, I'm gonna be using reload. So yeah, first off is the Dr. Mops with the Witch's Brew mop. It's orange. Let's make a line. It's pretty fucking drippy. That's the Witch's Brew. I mean the Dr. Mops. No, that's it. This is the Glop green. Fuck. Glop green. Oink black original. This joint is drippy, sick. Hold up. Oink. You can see the green on the background from the K60. I mean from the crank. Put the grimy green joint in there. Look at that. It's pretty drippy. Green. It's a pretty fucking good idea I came up with. The Brutal Blue. Put it under here. This joint is drippy like shit too. Brutal. Just put BL. The crank. Right there, red. K60. Next up is I know what the mouse. Hold up. Everybody knows what that is. Let's go put green under this joint so we know which is which. Next up is the markers. The JoyStick. This joint sucks. It's too streaky. I don't know. It's drippy sometimes. JoyStick. This is not my hairstyle, faggot, so don't comment. Montana right here. This joint sucks ass, but it's drippy too. Alright, so gonna let that dry for a sec. We're gonna buff it. It's a reload Sabotage 80 fat cap. So stand back, motherfuckers. Hold up. Just get the original cap. It's the blue joint. Alright. Damn. Look, man. So you can see. Oh shit. Alright, so just gonna let that coat dry. But letting that first coat dry, you can see the oink ink is coming out pretty fucking good. The black is coming out in purplish. Montana doesn't have no chance. Raise it up. Finish it. Alright, so then second coat. Alright, we're done here. Let it dry.